Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Naswa and
I am Nabila.
want to introduce something important and beneficial to our environment. The important thing is a service to recycle your clothes. We call it a Recycle 101. Our service expects unused clothes to be recycled, and we recycle it in two ways. If the clothes are still worth using, then we will give them to a place such as an orphanage and for people in need. And if the clothes that we receive aren't worth to using, we will help turn them into something more useful, such as bags, skirt, doormats, and so on. And then the reason why we choose Ricycle 101 as our service name is because we were inspired by a Korean survival program called Produce 101. In Produce 101, people sort out the contestant to be members of a group that will later be debut. Meanwhile, we are here sorting out clothes that are no longer used to be reused by others. That's why we call our service as Recycle 101. Uh, Recycle 101 helps you to get rid of your unused clothes by giving them to people who need them, or we can give them to an orphanage or a small school in a rural area. We don't go to the orphanage or small school in a rural area alone, but we go there with many volunteers around Indonesia. Another thing that can do is making the unused clothes into something more useful. We can turn the clothes into bags, skirts, doormats, and so on. When we turn them to something nice, we got help by small local business in Indonesia. So uh, we help each other in this service. We will recycle your clothes as much as we can. Clothes. And why do we make this service? Because we know that recycle clothes is very important to our life and environment. Usually, people will burn their unused clothes or just throw them away. Burning clothes and throwing clothes are really bad for the environment because they will pollute the air, whereas the air is very important for our respiration system. And we know that pollution is one of the reason why climate change happening right now. Even United Nations said that the Earth is now about 1.1 degrees Celsius warmer than it was in the late 18,000 and the last decade 2011 until 2020. And it was the warmest on the record. And then as a result, we created this service in the hopes of reducing the threat of climate change. Another reason why we make this service is because we know how much work goes into making only one item of clothing. Cotton is known for requiring a lot of space, water, and pesticides in order to grow. And to produce one pair of jeans, we need 6,816 liters of water. And the next is Alia.
If we recycle our clothes, we can reduce landfill sites, water usage, and carbon footprint. We can also slow down the fast fashion industry. Fast fashion has a negative impact on our environment because it uses cheap and toxic textile dyes, making the fast fashion industry the biggest polluter of clean water globally. So, if you guys have unused clothes, please don't throw them away. You can send it to the clothes recycling services like Recycle 101. If you are interested, you can check our Instagram at Recycle11 or you can check our website www.recycle101.com. You can also find us offline in the Jabodetabek area and Yogyakarta. We have two systems available. First, your clothes can be picked up if you live near us. So you can just gather your unused clothes that want to be recycled, read them, and we will pick them out. Second, you can come to the nearest Recycle 101. You can wait it there and then done. The important part, you can pay for our service as much as you want. After that, we will boat the clothes to the orphanage or small schools in rural area. Before bringing the clothes, we will wash it first and fold the clothes so it looks neat and clean. How do we wash the clothes? We wash it and dry it ourselves without help of everyone. The reason you should use Recycle 101 is that we work together to heal the earth. Clothes that end up in landfills emit greenhouse gases. Therefore, recycling them with Recycle 101 helps to diminish the forces that contribute to climate change. Reusing the fabric in old clothes saves money and the environment. We make it simple for you to recycle old clothes, which helps to safeguard the environment. People who use our service can also receive their unused clothes into something new, so both sides will have the profit. Who doesn't want their clothes changed into something cool like bags and skirts? That is the second reason to use our service. Some people say that our service is very helpful to them because before they know our service, they are confused about how to get rid of their unused clothes that are being piled up in their wardrobe. But there are people who are confused with our service because why do we want to recycle clothes? Why do we give unused clothes to people who need them? The answer is because sometimes there are people who don't really want to use their old clothes, maybe because their clothes are too small or they don't have siblings who can wear their clothes again. There are testimonials that say our services are very friendly in communicating with people who use our service so that they feel comfortable and also not bothered by anything. We will try the best to help all of you recycling your clothes to heal our earth. That is from me and from Nashwa. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.